to send sound emojis on Messenger. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. So firstly, what you need to do to send sound emojis on Messenger is you have to firstly open your Messenger app, and yeah, this video tutorial is similar for the both Android and iOS, so you have to watch this video until the end. So firstly, what you need to do is you have to firstly open any of the conversation that you want to in which that you want to send the sound emojis, so like this, and in the bottom you can see this type a message button, so in which you can type the message and send to the person. And in the type a message, you can see in the right side of type a message you can see the emoji. So when you click on this emoji, then you come to this page, and here you can see all these things, but you can see this all these five symbols, and in the most right side of these symbols you can see the uh, sound. So when you come to this sound, then here you can see the all the sounds. So this is the literally the sound emojis. Now what you can do is you have to swipe up, and then you can see all these sound emojis. Now you can hear the all the sound emojis by clicking on the any of the sound emojis, and here you can see this is the sound emojis. And after hearing it, you can click on the send button, and it will appear in the most upper part of the sound emojis, and here you can see. So you can send it by clicking on the send button under the emoji like this, and it is sent. Here you can see, and you can again swipe up, and you can hear another sound emojis. And if you like this, then you can see the this is appear on the upper part of the sound emojis. Then you can send it by clicking on the send button under these emojis, and now it is sent. So that's basically that how you can send sound emojis on Messenger. You can simply hear it and then send it to the person that you want. So that's basically that how you can do this. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon to get notifications of such new informative video. And also don't forget to like and comment on this video. Have a good day.